Years in the making. Finally, pandemic's been moving this race.
Highly anticipated.
Yes, yes. Well, he has the energy. I'm trying to pick up my energy, but not there yet. We did some warm-ups, had some coffee. It's not my usual routine, but here we are. 30 minutes before the race. Then race briefing will start in a few minutes, and then 21 km here in Cavite. Hopefully it's gonna be a nice trail. We were here mid last year. We were in Mount Bulbok, so part of it we'll be running part of it and some extra, I guess, because the last time it was like around 14 km, I think, and then a little bit more. So we expect it to be hot. It's summertime, give or take 38, 39 degrees. Heat index.
39?
Heat index, yeah. But let's see. A race that was supposed to commence last March of 2020, Conquer Ascent finally kicks off at Maragondon, Cavite. Considered a challenging race due to exposed features, the temperature may reach heat index of 41 degrees Celsius. Maragondon derived from the Tagalog word madagundong, which means much sound. A sound comes from a noisy river called Cay Albaran. This area has so much history to tell, dating from the Spanish regime, most notably the execution of Andres Bonifacio in Mount Nagpatong.
Hey, guess what? 30 minutes in, I already missed a turn. So, a few minutes lost, but all good. Like I said, part of it. So far, trail is really nice. So established. A bit rocky at some parts, but very runnable. So we can't wait to see what lies ahead. We've passed the first two elite runners of 42K already on their way back, and they're flying. Had to walk for a period of time. I also tripped and also like ripped off my shirt. But it's so refreshing to see people. It's nice to see or meet people who are apparently subscribers to this channel. Thank you. I didn't get your names, but there was Leo, and there was Marianne, I think, Paolo, and a few others. Thank you. It's so nice that a few people appreciate the channel. Makes my day.
Uy, kuya!
Oh, bakit?
Laro tayo ng patintero.
O sige. Halina't maglaro sa kalye.
Sa kalye.
Pumili ka na kung kanino ka kakampi. Kakampi. Wala ito sa talo o panalo. Ito'y sa kung paano tayo magkasalo. Magkasalo. Patintero magdamag, habulan sa ilalim ng buwan. Lahat dito'y nagkagulong.
Gulong, baby!
Dahan-dahan namang umaahon. Kalawang nakaharang ay pagsubok. Sa iisang layunin, nais maabot. Nais maabot. Patintero magdamag, habulan sa ilalim ng buwan. Patintero magdamag, habulan sa ilalim ng buwan. Oh, oh, oh. kanya-kanyang estilo sa paglaro ng patintero. Patintero magdamag, habulan sa ilalim ng buwan. Patintero magdamag, habulan sa ilalim ng buwan. Patintero magdamag, habulan sa ilalim ng buwan.
Okay, finish line. Made podium again, second place. Anyway, it was a good run. I like the trail, very runnable. I wasn't able to video much because there wasn't anyone around. But I enjoyed it. Enjoyed the trail, enjoyed the company, enjoyed the festivities. A lot of familiar faces. I highly recommend this race. It's more runnable, trail, and very scenic as well. Ding!
Sleeping here in my basement. She's sleeping somewhere far away.